Are you ready to enter the future with 12 incredible gadgets you'll be buzzing to own in 2026? Ranging from smart technology to help you with your daily life, to future innovations you did not even know you needed, our compilation covers everything in between. Talking about future versions of smartwatches, AI assistants, highly portable devices, and future gaming technology, if you are any way associated with technology, or just appreciate cool gadgets, then the following innovations are bound to leave you in awe. Number 1. AIBI Pocket Pet. The AIBI Pocket Pet is a game changer for what can be expected of an artificial intelligence pet. This pet is designed as a handheld companion pet, bringing the joy of a pet to a sophisticated digital one that can be held in the palms of your hands. This device is equipped with state-of-the-art artificial intelligence that responds to touch, voice, and hand gestures in a sophisticated manner. It is a revolutionary device that marks a new chapter in the development of artificial intelligence pets. All orders of the AIBI Pocket Pet are sent out directly from the factory within 2 to 4 weeks, and a free accessory gift is given to all AIBI Pocket Pets as a token of appreciation. It is priced at $249. Number 2. Pickle One Soul Computer. The Pickle One Soul Computer is a harbinger of a completely different future of computing, one where technology is intimately entwined with our lives. Unlike conventional computing devices, Pickle One is built with a focus on developing a personal intelligence that enables you to make more informed and optimal decisions, perform tasks more effectively, and achieve the life you want to lead. As technology that learns from you and with you, it is more than a machine, it is a partner on your ongoing life's journey. Rather than technology pure and simple, the Pickle One Soul Computer symbolizes a smarter, fuller, and richer living every day of our lives. Number 3. Mars Players, the One. The Mars Players. The One is an epoch-making portable glamping kitchen for adventurers who want comfort, safety, and convenience in the outdoors. This all-in-one will keep you warm, help you prepare incredible food, and light up your surroundings. It's ideal for camping, glamping, or adventures into the wilderness. Constructed with stability, durability, and environment-friendly construction, the One has an adjustable structure to fit any outdoor setup. Also fitted with an emergency toolkit, one can be safe from situations that arise unexpectedly. Whether cooking, relaxing, or adventure-seeking, the One is the guarantee of a seamless outdoor adventure. If one wants innovation combined with practicality, then this may be a game changer. Price: $4,999. Number 4. Luna Deskmate. The Luna Deskmate is the perfect companion for the contemporary workplace. The Deskmate is designed to boost your working efficiency by keeping your essentials organized while incorporating innovative functionalities such as wireless charging, ambient lighting, and notifications. The Deskmate's chic and slim design makes it the perfect complement to your home office or office space, not just for organization purposes, but for decluttering your workspace, simplifying tasks on a daily basis, and facilitating a personalized space according to your working needs. The Deskmate is designed to withstand the test of time while keeping your workspace organized and inspirational. Whether you want to take your home office or office to the next level, Luna Deskmate is one accessory you cannot do without. Number 5. Oite Open 3. The Oite Open 3 is a powerful 4-in-1 multifunctional pen light for everyday use and emergency situations. It features a 120 lumen white light, a 2-stage red light for night vision, and a red SOS mode for critical situations. A soft tip light allows effortless writing in the dark, while a precise Class 3R green laser pointer with 2 brightness levels is perfect for presentations. Charging is swift and effortless through the hidden USB-C port, fully powering the pen in about 1 hour. Crafted from durable aluminum, its balanced design and meteor shower grip let you control it without slipping. Compact, tough, and portable, the Open 3 is ready anytime. Price: $79.99. Number 6. Hizero H100R. The Hizero H100R is a revolutionary cordless cleaning machine that enables easy and hygienic multi-surface cleanings. The machine efficiently cleans glass surfaces, mirrors, windows, tabletops, tiles, and hard surfaces through a special no-suction technology. The machine functions not through vacuuming, but through a special rotating absorbent roller that constantly cleans itself in real time during its use. This machine consumes little water effectively, since it requires only 100 milliliters of water in its tank to clean up to 30 square meters of surface area, leaving it dry and stain-free. The machine segregates solid wastes from dirty water for enhanced cleanliness. This portable machine is also eco-friendly, since it consumes little water compared to the conventional mops and cloths used in cleaning. Number 7. Leanh 2. The Leanh 2 is a professional AI-powered augmented reality translation wearable that breaks any language barrier in an instant. It supports more than 100 languages and dialects with real-time translation and ultra-low latency of below 500 milliseconds. A 4-microphone array detects voices 360 degrees around, with free talk mode picking up audio from the person across from you while canceling background noise. Advanced waveguide optics display sharp green-on-black subtitles with a micro-LED engine, readable in all lighting conditions. Weighing only 49 grams, its minimalist design has no camera to ensure comfort and privacy. Be inclusive with accessibility features. Try teleprompter mode and use your gadget for AIQ and async data processing according to GDPR. The Leanh 2 reinvents smart communication. Price: $499. Number 8. Limitless Pendant. The Limitless Pendant is an actual AI-integrated wearable device meant for your personal assistant and memory device. By leveraging high-quality microphones, the device records conversations, meetings, and thoughts, immediately transcribing them into searchable messages. Powered by advanced AI capabilities, the pendant produces summary statements, action statements, and intelligent reminders, ensuring users remain organized and efficient. This memory device has a searching capability, enabling the user to immediately locate information, listen to audio clips, or access significant events. Adopting a privacy-focused concept, the device focuses on the highest level of security with complete user control, accompanied by an indication light when the recording is active. Designed for seamless connectivity between web, desktop, and mobile applications, the Limitless Pendant provides 100 hours of audio recording capability. Price: $299. Number 9. ILO. ILO is a small, wearable AI companion robot charm that adds the power of emotions, personality, and interactions to life. With a dynamic LED display, the ILO features animated faces that interact with touch, movement, and the environment through an emotional engine that has 5 different moods. With the capability to be connected to 2.4G Wi-Fi through the accompanying application, the ILO can also act as a witty AI talk partner. And without the internet, it can still be controlled through voice commands, making it capable of interacting in any environment. Even 2 ILO companions can be paired, and the ILO also comes with the capability to change its themed body for a change in personality. Price: $59.90. Number 10. Maktar MiniAX. The Maktar MiniAX is a small, highly performant portable SSD for creators and power users who need fast and reliable storage, especially iPhone users. It delivers NVMe speeds of as high as 10 gigabits per second / 1050 megabytes per second, moving around large files, game data, and even high-resolution video with ease. Because intense tasks require active cooling, it is equipped with an active cooling fan and smart ventilation to stop overheating. In addition, USB Type-C connectivity allows for pass-through charging up to 27 watts and MagSafe compatibility for seamless attachment to an iPhone. An integrated LCD display shows storage capacity, speed, and power status at a glance. Available in 1 TB and 2 TB options, this premium aluminum MiniAX is the perfect solution for creators, gamers, and everyday backups. Number 11. Fosy Audio. The Fosy Audio Volume 20 is a modern-looking multimedia volume knob tailored for customers who need easy and precise audio adjustment. It allows for real-time volume adjustments of music, games, and professional uses with Bluetooth wireless and USB Type-C for connection. A single multifunctional knob plays, pauses, skips tracks, mutes, and fine-tunes volume perfectly. Constructed from CNC machined zinc alloy, this 55mm all-metal provides premium-grade durability, stability, and great tactile feedback. RGB lighting is customizable to show multiple modes and easily sets up to match your desktop ambiance. It is compatible with PCs, Macs, laptops, tablets, and mobile devices. The VOL20 is really plug and play. Compact yet powerful, it's an essential desktop upgrade for audio lovers. Price: $49.99. And that is all for the 12 amazing gadgets you'll want to own in the year 2026. From the smart gadgets of the future to the tech innovations making life easier, it's all in the future. Which gadget did you enjoy the most? Leave your comments and like our page to get the latest updates on the future of tech solutions.